This video includes instructions for one-point perspective, two-point perspective, and also how to create diagrams that show three views of one form. One- and two-point perspective is used to create the illusion of depth and volume in two-dimensional artwork. Follow these instructions to create one-point perspective. Draw a horizon line and place a vanishing point in the middle. Draw a rectangle for the front face of a building. Draw lines connecting the vanishing point with the corners. Now draw a vertical line like this. This will be the back edge of your building. Fill in the shape created by the intersecting lines. Draw some evenly spaced windows on the front of your building. Find the middle of the side of your building by drawing diagonal lines from the corners. Draw a vertical line through the point of intersection. This is the midway point of the side of your building, taking into account that shapes decline in size with perspective. Repeat this process to find additional even intervals on the side of your building. Now the side of your building has been divided into 4 even intervals that reduce in size with perspective. Draw lines that connect the vanishing point with the top and bottom of the windows. Draw windows with the guidelines that you created on the side of your building. Now use the same methods to add a house to your scene. Here are instructions for creating two-point perspective. Draw a horizon line and place 2 vanishing points at either end. Draw 2 vertical lines. These will be the front and back edges of your house. Draw lines for the top and bottom of this shape that connect with the vanishing point. Repeat this process to draw the other side of the house. Find the middle of one side by drawing diagonal lines from the corners. Draw a vertical line that intersects with the point of intersection. Draw a peak for the roof that intersects the vertical line. The peak is centered. To complete the roof line of the house, it is helpful to draw the complete form of the house, even the edges and sides that you can't see, as if the house was transparent. Draw the base of the house by connecting the corners with the vanishing points. For the back corner of the house, draw a vertical line from the point of intersection. Complete the back side of the house by drawing a line connecting the back top corner with the vanishing point. Find the middle of the back of the house by drawing diagonal lines like before. Draw a vertical line through the middle of the back side. For the top of the roof, draw a line connecting the peak with the vanishing point. Complete the roof line as shown. The following instructions are for creating 3 views of a 3-dimensional form. This is particularly helpful for when we need to fully understand and communicate the nature of a form. Draw the front view of a simple form. Draw vertical lines through the edges and points. Use the vertical lines to draw a top view with the same measurements. Extend horizontal lines from the edges of the top view. Draw a line at 45 degrees from the top corner of the front view. Draw vertical lines from the points of intersection. Draw horizontal lines that extend from the front view. Use these guidelines to draw the side view. With this method, you can accurately produce a front view, a top view, and a side view of a 3-dimensional form. Understanding one-point perspective, two-point perspective, and diagrams of forms will enhance students' experiences and successes with the visual arts curriculum.